Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you are very good in your houses. So, welcome to the next class. This is the last class of the week, so don't worry, it's gonna be super easy, okay? Well, oops. So, right now, we're gonna start with an audio, okay? You're gonna need one pencil, one pen, or one color, and one notebook. You guys are gonna listen to the audio, and you're gonna write in your notebook the sound that you might think it is or probably is, okay? So right now we're gonna do that. Are you ready? Okay guys, we're gonna start with the sound number one. You're gonna listen and you're gonna tell me what it is, okay? What is it? Put it in your notebook. Let's go with the number two. Now let's go with the number three. Put it in your notebook. Let's go with the next one. Ready? What is it? A hint, Six Flags. Let's go with the next one. What do you hear right there? Very good. You have to put your answers in your notebook, all right? That was a very good job with the video and the guessing, okay? Excellent. So right now we're going to see a different topic, okay? So the topic is would you rather. You already know that would you rather means what do you prefer. For example, would you rather play Fortnite or would you rather play Free Fire? Me, in my personal opinion, I can say that I rather play Free Fire. Just saying. But anyways, so we have would you rather. Example, listen to the pronunciation, alright? Repeat with me. I would. It's not teacher. I would. Okay? You don't pronounce the L. L, goodbye. The L is in the word, but you don't pronounce, okay? Example, I would, she would, he would, you would, they would, okay? You don't pronounce the L. So, this is like that. And the contractions are. For example, remember when you have, you are, what is the contraction? Remember? Or remember when we have, I am, what is the contraction? I'm, okay? So it's the same, okay? It's just the same, but this time using would, okay? So for the contraction, it's a little bit different, okay? But don't worry because it's super easy. So when we have I would, we put the I, apostrophe, D. That's it. This one is this one. It's the same, but the contraction. She would. She, apostrophe, D. He would. He, apostrophe, D. You would. Sorry. You, apostrophe, D. And they, A apostrophe D. For example, I can say, I'd rather go to Disneyland than, I don't know, I would rather go to Disneyland than Six Flags, etc. Okay? So the pronunciation is like I'd, but it's super fast that you can even listen. I'd rather go, okay? I'd rather eat. I'd rather play. So that is with the I and a little bit of the D, so you pronounce it. I'd rather go to Calexico. I'd rather go to Miami, okay? That is the pronunciation, okay? She is the same. In all of them, you're going to add a little bit of the D and then you have to pronunciate. For example, she would rather go to the Pampas. He would rather go to the, I don't know, to LA. You'd rather go to the school, I don't know, right? So you have to pronounce I, she, he, you, they, and a little bit of the D when you are speaking, okay? So these are the contractions. Right now, I'm gonna put you a few examples so you can see them, all right? So, very good, guys. These are just a few examples, okay? Number one, I'd like to go to Six Flags, all right? She'd love to eat a Snickers. He'd love to play Minecraft. So that is just the contraction. You can write, she would like to go, or you can put the contraction and it's fine, it's perfect, okay? We don't have a problem. So right now, you guys are gonna open your book, this book, in the page 93, the structure book, okay? In the page 93. I'm gonna make an example for you, and then you are going to complete the page on your own, okay? So everybody please open your book on the page 93 and let's start. Okay, so everybody is on the page 93, right? So very good. In here, this is the page. The title is Would You Rather. In here we have the contractions, the ones that we just saw like 1 minute ago. So we are going to check and then you do it, okay? Example, the question right here on top, it says, would they rather play soccer or watch it? They'd rather play soccer, okay? So in here, in this mini box, they have, it's like a different activities, right? That different activities to do. For example, the number one, eat chicken, like eat pollo feliz, I don't know. It's super delicious. Eat chicken, okay? The number two, what is sing a song, okay? Number three, read a book. Number four, scuba diving. Scuba diving is when you go to the ocean and you put your uniform for the ocean and you go down and then you scuba dive, okay? Next one, ride a horse, watch cartoons, eat corn, dance, go skydiving, and ride a bike. If you don't know, teacher, what is ride a horse? Okay, don't worry. You can find on the internet a few examples and then you can understand, all right? So these are the activities. Instructions. Look at the pictures. What pictures? 1, 2, 3, okay? Look at the pictures, make guesses and answer the questions. You're going to look at the pictures and based on the pictures, you're gonna answer 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? The number one says, would Candace rather go skydiving or scuba diving? I'm gonna make an example with Emily. We're gonna do it with Emily. I'm gonna tell you how to answer, okay? So one question for Emily, okay. Would you I'm gonna put Emily, okay? would Emily Okay, look at the question, okay? We have the question that says, would Emily rather go to Disneyland or Legoland? Okay? So, the question will start with would, and then the person, would Emily, and then rather go to two options, Disneyland or Legoland. So, look at the sentence. What is the verb? What is the verb in this question? Look. The verb is Disneyland? I don't think so. The verb is Legoland? I don't think so. The verb is go. Go, eat, dance, ride a horse, scuba dive, etc. Those are the verbs, okay? So identify the verb. Teacher, the verb is go. Okay, so now you can answer, okay? Emily is a girl, so we're gonna use she. So how is the answer, sorry? She, apostrophe D, or is the same. She would. You can answer like this or you can answer like this, okay? She would rather go to Legoland. You don't have to forget about the verb, okay? She'd rather go, okay? Don't put she'd rather Legoland. She'd rather go to Legoland, okay? You have to put the verb, okay? In the number 2 in your book, it says, would Candace and Debbie ride a bike or ride a horse? It's 2, Candace and Debbie, so it's they, okay? In the number 3, would Frank rather eat chicken or corn? Frank is only one and it's one person and it's a boy. So it's he, and the verb is super easy. And the number 4, would Frank and Candace rather watch cartoons or read a book? They. So you're gonna answer like this in this part based on the pictures. And the number 1, 2, 3 at the bottom of the page is personal. Those questions are for you. So right now you're going to complete that, and you're gonna complete all the questions, and when you finish, you're gonna take a picture and put it on Facebook. When you finish, you are gonna go and click to the second video, okay? Good luck, guys, you can do it. Remember to put the verbs as I told you, okay? Goodbye.